The Farberware 3-piece kitchen cutting board set is a valuable addition to any kitchen offering functionality and durability to enhance your cooking experience. Crafted by Farberware, a trusted brand in kitchenware, these cutting boards are designed to meet the needs of both amateur chefs and culinary experts. Made from high-quality wood, these cutting boards boast a natural color that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. The set includes 3 boards of varying sizes: a large board measuring 11 inches by 14 inches, a medium board measuring 8 inches by 10 inches, and a small board measuring 5.5 inches by 8 inches. This range of sizes allows you to choose the ideal board for different tasks, from slicing fruits to preparing meats. One standout feature of this set is its reversible design, providing you with double the cutting surface while also aiding in preventing cross-contamination of food. The rectangular shape of the boards offers ample space for cutting and preparing,